Hello everyone, how are you all? Children, in this video we are going to discuss about few first aid treatments which you can give it to the patient before going to the doctor. Accidents happen in spite of being very careful, but sometimes they are not avoided. Then in that case, you can give the first aid to that person. First aid is the first medical help or the treatment that you can give it to the patient before going to the doctor. Children, if timely help is given to the patient, we can avoid the worsening condition of that patient. So before going to the doctor, the help which we give to the patient is called first aid. So let us learn how to give the first aid for few injuries or few accidents. For wounds, cuts and scratches, first wash your hands with soap and water, then wash the wound under running water and clean it with an antiseptic lotion. Cover the wound with a bandage or cotton gauze. Children, sometimes the cut can be deep and bleeds more. In such cases, you must try to stop the bleeding by using tourniquet. Tourniquet is a cord, children, or a bandage that is tied tightly around the limb to stop the flow of blood. It should always be tied above the wound and never on the wound. And don't forget to get an anti-tetanus injection afterwards. Children, nose bleeding is dripping of blood from the nostrils. It happens when blood vessels inside our nose burst. So in case of nose bleeding, you have to follow these simple steps. First of all, try to stay calm and relaxed. Sit up straight and lean slightly forward. Do not lie down. Pinch your nostril closed for a few minutes while breathing through your mouth. Or after that, you can place an ice pack on the bridge of your nose. Children, sometimes we accidentally twist a joint. It can be our elbow joint or it can be our ankle joint, and that results in torn of ligaments. This condition is called sprain. Sprains can be very painful. The injured part swells up and sometimes the skin of that area turns blue. What you have to do is rub ice on the swelling till it becomes less. For sport, tie a bandage over it. When a bone breaks or cracks, it is called fracture. This can cause unbearable pain. Make sure you have to first comfortable and calm the patient. Do not try to move the patient or touch the injured area, as it may cause further injury to the broken part. Take the patient to the doctor. The fractured area needs a rigid support, children, that is called splint. You can use newspaper, magazines or cardboard as a splint. You can keep it under that broken area and tie it with the bandage. A splint will prevent displacement of bone and help avoid injuries to the surrounding areas. In case the arm is fractured, do not let it hang down. Instead, you can use a sling to support it. A sling is a flexible strap used in the form of loop for the support. You can also use dupatta as a string. Children, simple burns can be treated at home. What you can do is, you can put that burnt area under the running water till the pain becomes less, and you can apply antiseptic lotion over it. Children, severe burns can form blisters. Never touch or prick blister, as it will then become an open wound and will catch infection. Gently cover the blister with a clean piece of cloth. Severe burns should be treated by the doctor only. In case of chemical burns, wash the affected area with plenty of water. Lightly cover it with a piece of clean cloth before going to the doctor. Children, dogs, cats, monkeys and many other stray animals may carry rabies virus. In case of any animal bite, immediately wash the affected area with soap and water. It prevents the germs from getting into our body. Then after that, you can apply antiseptic lotion and cover it with bandage and immediately take the patient to the doctor. Children, when a snake bites, if the timely treatment is not given, the patient can even lose his life. So you have to follow these guidelines to protect the patient from the snake bite. Keep the person calm and still, as the movement can cause venom to spread quickly to other parts of the body. Position the person so that the bite area is below the heart level. Cover the wound with a clean, dry dressing. Remove if there is any clothing or jewelry around that bite area. Do not give the person tea or coffee to drink, and take that patient to the doctor immediately. In this video, you have learned how to give the first aid for few emergencies or few accidents that can be controlled before going to the doctor. So I hope this is clear to you. Children, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, observe and explore, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.